Hello, and welcome to English Unlocked. My name is Daniel, and I'm very glad you are here with me today. This podcast is for people who are learning English step by step, slowly, calmly, without pressure. In today's lesson, we will talk about daily life conversations, simple English that people use every day. You don't need to study hard right now. You don't need to remember every word. You don't need to repeat out loud, unless you want to. Listening is enough. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen while resting, walking, or sitting comfortably. This lesson is made for beginners, for A1 and A2 learners. English is part of daily life. We use it in the morning. We use it during the day. We use it in the evening. Many people understand English, but feel afraid to speak. They think their English is not good enough. They worry about mistakes. In this lesson, we will change that feeling. We will use simple sentences. We will talk about real situations. Nothing difficult. Nothing stressful. Daily life English is not about big words. It is about clear ideas. When you learn English slowly, your brain relaxes. When your brain relaxes, learning becomes easier. You may understand everything. You may understand only part of it. Both are okay. Understanding grows over time. This lesson is not a test. It is a calm conversation. You can imagine that we are sitting together, talking quietly, taking our time. English does not need to be fast. English does not need to be perfect. English needs to feel comfortable. So take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Let the sound of English flow. This is English Unlocked. And today, we start learning English for real life. Now, let's begin. The day usually begins in a simple way. In the morning, I wake up and open my eyes. For a few seconds, I stay in bed. I listen to the quiet sounds around me. Then I get up. I say, I wake up early. Or, I wake up late. Both sentences are correct. Both are very common. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. These are small actions, but we do them every day. You can say, I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Simple sentences are good sentences. Then I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. Sometimes I drink coffee. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I eat bread, eggs, or fruit. I can say, I have breakfast. I drink coffee. I eat at home. These phrases are easy to remember. They are useful in real life. In the morning, people often ask, How are you? And we answer in a simple way. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm a little tired. You don't need long answers. Short answers are natural. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes. I check the time. I say, I'm ready. Then I leave the house. Or I stay at home. It depends on the day. I can say, I go to work. I work from home. I study today. All these sentences are everyday English. In the morning, people often talk about plans. They say, I have work today. I have a busy day. I have time today. These phrases help you talk about your day. Morning English does not need to be difficult. You don't need special words. You need clear words. Words you can use every day. When you talk about your morning, You talk about real life. And real life English is the most important English. Take a moment now. Think about your morning. What do you do after you wake up? You can say one sentence in your mind. That is already practice. After the morning, the day continues. For many people, this is the time for work or study. Life becomes more active. There are more sounds, more movement. I can say, I start work, or I start studying. Both sentences are very common. At work, people talk to each other. They ask simple questions. They give short answers. For example, how is your day? It's good. It's busy. It's okay. These answers are natural. You hear them every day. During the day, people do many small tasks. They write messages. They answer emails. They make phone calls. I can say, I answer emails. I make a phone call. I work on my computer. These sentences are simple, but they describe real life. Sometimes the day feels busy. Sometimes it feels slow. You can say, today is busy, or today is calm. Both are correct. During the day, people often take a break. A break is a short time to rest. I can say, I take a break. I need a break. This is very useful English. At lunchtime, people talk about food. They ask, what do you eat for lunch? Where do you have lunch? And they answer, I eat at home. I eat at work. I eat with friends. You don't need difficult words. Simple answers are enough. In the afternoon, energy can go down. People feel tired. They want to finish their tasks. You can say, I feel tired. I need some rest. These sentences are honest. They are part of daily life. As the day moves on, people think about the evening. They think about going home. They think about rest. I can say, I finish work. I go home. These phrases are short and clear. Talking about your day helps you feel confident. You don't need perfect English. You need English you can use. Daily life English is not about grammar rules. It is about communication. You speak. People understand. That is enough. Take a slow breath. Stay calm. And continue listening. In the evening, life becomes quieter again. The workday ends. The streets are less busy. People start to slow down. I come home. I close the door behind me. I feel relief. I can say, I'm home. I'm tired. I'm okay. These sentences are short, but they say a lot. In the evening, people often change their clothes. They want to feel comfortable. I say, I change my clothes. I put on something comfortable. Then I think about dinner. Some people cook. Some people order food. Some people eat something simple. I can say, I cook dinner. I eat at home. I don't want to cook today. All of these sentences are real English. In the evening, people often talk about their day. They ask simple questions. How was your day? Was it busy? Was it good? And they answer, it was good. It was long. It was busy. It was okay. You don't need long stories. One sentence is enough. After dinner, people relax in different ways. Some watch TV. Some listen to music. Some read. Some talk. I can say, I watch TV. I listen to music. I read a book. These sentences are easy to remember. They are useful. In the evening, people also talk about plans. Not big plans. Simple ones. I stay at home tonight. I go to bed early. I relax. Evening English is calm English. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to use difficult words. You speak slowly. You speak clearly. This is good English. In the evening, feelings can be different. Some people feel tired. Some feel calm. Some feel quiet. You can say, I feel tired. I feel calm. I feel fine. These sentences help you talk about yourself. Talking about the evening helps you connect with people. It helps you feel more confident. English becomes part of your life. Not something special. Just something normal. Take another slow breath. Stay relaxed. And continue listening. At night, everything becomes even quieter. The lights are soft. The sounds are few. The day is finished. People stop thinking about work and plans. They start thinking about rest. I prepare for sleep slowly. There is no hurry now. I turn off bright lights. I leave only a small lamp on. The room feels calm and safe. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. These are small actions, but they tell the body that it is time to rest. I can say, I'm tired. I'm ready for bed. These sentences are simple and very common. At night, people often feel quiet, not happy, not sad, just calm. You can say, I feel calm. I feel quiet. I feel okay. These words are enough. I go to my bed. I sit down for a moment. I take a deep breath. My body feels heavy. In a good way. I lie down. The bed supports me. I feel comfortable. At night, thoughts can come. Small thoughts about the day. About conversations. About moments. I don't follow these thoughts. I let them pass. Night is not a time to solve problems. Night is a time to rest. Listening to English at night can be very helpful. The mind is open. There is no pressure. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to remember sentences. Your brain listens quietly. Learning happens naturally. This is how English becomes familiar. Not stressful. Not difficult. Just part of your life. Daily life English is everywhere. In the morning. During the day. In the evening. And now, at night. You are not studying now. You are resting. And rest is also part of learning. Stay calm. Stay relaxed. Let the night take care of you. As this lesson comes to an end, there is nothing more you need to do. You don't need to think about English right now. You don't need to remember words or sentences. You don't need to try. You listened. And that is enough. Today, English was part of your daily life. Not something difficult. Not something stressful. Just a calm voice. Simple words. Real moments. Learning English does not always need effort. Sometimes it needs quiet. Sometimes it needs rest. Your brain has been listening, even when you were relaxed, even when you were calm. This is how understanding grows. slowly, naturally. You are not late. You are not behind. You are learning in your own rhythm. Every time you listen like this, English becomes more familiar, more comfortable, more natural. One day, you will notice that you understand more, that you feel more confident, not because you studied hard, but because you listen calmly. That is real progress. Thank you for spending this time with me. This was English Unlocked. My name is Daniel. You can come back anytime. In the morning, during the day, or at night. English will be here. For now, rest. Breathe slowly. Let the day go. You are doing well.